make me sweat inside, make me feel like I'm alive.
Let's hit it.
Take this hurt, lady, throw it in my face. Don't let these bones slow you down. Cause I'm coming on strong. The grass should have looked greener. I need a true believer in disguise. If I'm loving you wrong, short changing and receiving, girl, you best believe in me behind. Cause I'm over easy tonight. Speak the truth, spit it out, I'm waiting. Don't leave me contemplating my own life. Save emotion for another man or love. Don't need a 40 clover to decide.
He's co-mater style, man.
So far,
Yeah.
I like those a lot.
Yeah, those are really.
Flip you around. They got a little shallow, but I mean, like kayaks are a little long, but they get the job.
Yeah, this one is pretty long. But that view though, right there. Oh, look at that. Oh, baldy.
That beginning, dude, when you fall off that thing, you're already done for. You wanna go first or me?
Oh, you get it first in case anything goes wrong. Oh my gosh. Dude, these are so nice. Check them out.
Solar comforts, let's go.
Never buying sunglasses from a store again.
If I'm loving you wrong, short changing and receiving, girl, you best believe in me behind. Cause I'm over easy, I'm over easy, and I'm over easy tonight.
Dude, I'm a big fan of the crotch shot right now.
It was a morning in June when I heard that tune falling up to the beat of your heart. Like a white rain sails from a startled trail, our eyes met and then landed so well. Oh.
I hate when white girls get like a group of their friends together and then one of them takes like this really kind of original picture, like that's kind of cool, and then every single one of them posts the same thing.
But they don't just like repost the same photo. They post it on their story, then take the story's photo, post that one, then repost that one on.
Living high,
Oh no!
We're in a predicament, boys. There's like a weird little culvert here and ram me. Oh, bye. Tug me, boy. Yes, sir.
Unless they're cooking dinner.
Oh, yeah, golden hour. On Life Lessons with Colton, we'll learn that you shall never.
Whoa!
I wonder if you can see to the bottom right here. This is crazy.
Before you could speak, before you could weep, I held your hand in mine. Like a shell on a beach, waiting for your reach, falling up to the mountain to climb. You came reassuring, Mother Nature's procuring, there's no need for doubt in this life.
Yes, sir.
What are we gonna name him?
Roberto. Nice catch, Slade. Oh, yeah. He hissing. Hey, buddy. We're gonna let you go. We just want to say hi. Hello. Pee break. Oh.
doubt in his mind. You came reassuring, Mother Nature's procuring. There's no need for doubt in his mind.
Oh, that was better.
And our eyes align like the sun through the pines in a silent space, in a cup full of time. In these orderly ways, in this disorderly life, I let go of my hand in the jar.